Hello, Wowzers, and welcome to another episode of
Mindy's Laboratory of Biology.
We start today's episode with a riddle. What can make spices jump and water bend? Wait for it. Give up? The answer is static electricity. That's right. For today's episode, we will be performing not one, but two experiments that wow, and they both have to do with static electricity. For this experiment, you will need a balloon, some paprika, a plate, and a human with hair. Take your balloon and rub it against your head. Unless you don't want to mess up your hair, then you're going to rub it against someone else's head until it becomes statically charged. You'll know it's statically charged when you pull your balloon away from the head and some of the hairs stick to it, like this. Now, you're going to take your statically charged balloon and hold it close to your paprika. Let's get a close-up. Our first experiment, jumping spices. Just look at those spices jump up to meet the balloon. It's happening. I can't believe this works. It actually works. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we have time for one final experiment. Who's up for it? Okay, let's get started. For this experiment, you will need a balloon again, a head of hair again, and the kitchen sink. Now first, get a steady stream of water coming out of your tap, just like this. Next, you're going to statically charge your balloon just like this. Now, you're going to hold the statically charged balloon nearer the water stream and become a real-life water bender. So, is it magic? Nope, it's science. Everything around us is made out of atoms, and what makes up those atoms are positively charged protons and negatively charged electrons. When you rub two things together, like a balloon and some human hair, some of these electrons are transferred from one to another, leaving one positively charged and the other negatively charged. And just like with magnets, things with opposite charges are attracted to one another, like a negatively charged balloon and positively charged paprika or water. It's all about attraction. For everyone else, we'll see you on the next episode of